Hello kids, I'm Morris, and we are here to learn 1 to 10 numbers. Oh, look, an apple.
Whoa!
1 apple. 1. 1. Now. 2 apples.
Yay!
2. 2. 3 apples.
Whoa!
3. 3. 4 apples. 4. 4. 5 apples.
Whoa!
5. 5. 6 apples.
Yay!
6. 6. 7 apples.
Whoa!
7. 7. 8 apples. 8. 8. 9 apples.
Whoa!
9. 9. And 10 apples.
Yay!
10. 10. Very good.
Yay!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done.